Your passwords could become useless in 10 years. Right now, tech giants like Google, IBM, and China are in a silent war. They're racing to build quantum computers powerful enough to crack every encrypted password, bank account, and secret message on Earth. Here's why this matters. Traditional computers use ones and zeros. Quantum computers use quantum bits that exist as both simultaneously. This means they can solve in minutes what takes regular computers thousands of years. The scary part? Hackers are already stealing encrypted data today, betting they'll decode it once quantum computers exist. It's called harvest now, decrypt later. The good news, scientists are developing quantum-resistant encryption right now. The US government already released new standards to protect against this threat. But the race isn't over. Comment below, do you think quantum computers will change everything?